Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will guide you through the process of replacing the motor, an internal ring, and the rail on your Dyson SV17 vacuum cleaner. This guide is designed to help you restore your vacuum's efficiency, so let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a Torx screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. You will also need replacement parts, specifically the motor, the new ring, and the rail. Begin by unplugging the vacuum cleaner to ensure safety. Once it is unplugged, remove the dust container by pressing the button located on the top. Set it aside. Next, locate the screws at the base of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the bottom cover. Keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly. After removing the base, gently lift it off to expose the motor compartment. You might need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open carefully. Make sure to inspect for any debris or dust buildup inside. Cleaning this area can significantly improve performance. Now, you will see the motor secured with additional screws. Use your Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. As you do this, remember to maintain a steady grip on the motor to prevent it from falling. Once the screws are out, carefully disconnect the motor's wiring harness. It's important to remember the wiring configuration for reassembly. Next, we'll replace the old motor with the new one. Align the new motor in place and connect the wiring harness securely. Once connected, use the Torx screws to secure the motor back into the compartment. Now let's move on to the internal ring. If you notice any wear or damage on the old ring, it's crucial to replace it. Remove the old ring carefully, and clean the area before placing the new ring in position. If you're unsure about handling this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to assist you. After replacing the ring, head over to the rail section. The rail is usually attached with a few screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws and carefully pull the rail from the body of the vacuum. Replace it with the new rail, ensuring it fits snugly and is aligned correctly. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Once all components are replaced, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Place the bottom cover back onto the vacuum and secure it with the screws. Make sure everything is tightly fastened and in place. Before testing the vacuum, take a moment to clean the dust container and ensure it's free of debris. This step is essential for optimal performance. Now, plug in the vacuum and turn it on to test the new motor, ring, and rail. Listen for any unusual sounds and check for suction power. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so if you need assistance, just contact us. No calls, no travel, simply convenient service right at your doorstep. Also, make sure to request a quote before repair if further assistance is needed. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the motor, ring, and rail of your Dyson SV17 vacuum cleaner. Enjoy your restored vacuum, and thank you for watching. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.